Jace. I am Rick Marticas Tuan. I will present to you is all about persuasive speech. Persuasive speech is all about absolutely I will instructure and research persuasive speech has the power to inform the audience about an issue. Presenting compelling argument and ultimately inspired action or change. It is about not only persuading but also educating and empowering audience to make informed decision or to make meaningful step towards undesired outcome. Thank you, sir.